Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft video signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful pebble stone painting ideas. These are very unique, these are very amazing, and these are very classy looks of pebble painting ideas. So if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are super incredible and very pretty pebble stone painting ideas. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are super incredible and unique pebble painting ideas. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super amazing and most beautiful and classy ideas for you guys. So viewers, always remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are very stunning, these are very pretty and very unique stone painting ideas. And you also watch different painting videos on my channel. So guys, follow for more details and keep supporting my channel. Keep keep watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.